Lakeside Barbecue Chats. So I get asked a lot, what's the difference between, say, a $300 smoker and a $1,000 smoker? The simple answer is quality. Remember, you get what you pay for. You know, you can go out and buy a Cadillac or a Yugo. Both are going to get you to the end point, but it just depends on which one is going to get you there better and cost you more. So when I'm looking to buy a smoker, if I've got, say, $400 to buy a smoker, I could either go down to Walmart and buy one, or I can save a little bit more money and go buy a top quality one. It's a big difference between a $300 smoker and a $1,000 smoker. Most of the time, the difference you're going to see is in the seals, the quality of the metal, and the quality of the product, or the quality of the actual components itself. Now, both of them are going to burn pellets or burn wood, whichever one you're buying. Both of them are going to produce smoke. One of them is going to have better seals, better quality, thicker metal, better warranty in the end if anything happens. And if you're not making great seals, then you're going to use more pellets, more fuel as well. Now, there's different levels of smokers you can buy on the market. I mean, you can buy one for $15,000 to $20,000 if you want. Now, the higher the price you go up, most likely it's going to be better quality and the better product that you're going to put out in the end. I used to cook on a Jambo, and that was probably one of the best cookers I ever had. And if you talk to Jamie Gear, the mastermind behind the Jambo pit down in Texas, he'll tell you that the Jambo that I used to own was one of the best Jambos that he had ever created. It was beautiful, it's absolutely gorgeous, and it cooked like a dream. Now, I went from that to pellet cookers to drum cookers. I've cooked on everything on the market, and the one thing that I have learned is that you get what you pay for. So when you go out and you buy a cooker, if you've got $200 to $300 to spend, save up a couple hundred more and buy a little bit better one. There's always something better on the market. You can go, like I said, you can go as high as you want. There's really no need to most of the time, but get a good mid to top of the line smoker and it's going to last you a long time. We've got really great instructions on this and a whole lot more over at academyaq.com. So come on over, stop by and check us out. Until next time, keep on smoking it.